Today we're looking at how to make YouTube videos without knowing how to edit. That's right, you don't have to have any editing experience before. If you have just picked up the internet or a computer altogether, just today you're gonna be able to make videos in less than 10 minutes. That's absolutely right. You're gonna be able to make videos that are watchable, most importantly, in less than 10 minutes. So we're gonna go through and I'm gonna show you how to make these YouTube videos. I'm gonna show you how to make video ads altogether and just videos that are going to be watchable for your audience regardless of the occasion. So stay tuned, because at the end of this video I have a very special bonus for you that you don't want to miss. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. All right, so let's get right to it. I want to introduce you to my secret weapon, which is InVideo. InVideo allows you to create professional videos that are watchable, that will get those views, and that absolutely rank on YouTube. So if you're looking to get started with YouTube without knowing how to edit anything, then InVideo is the software for you. It is absolutely just a game changer. It's something that has allowed me to scale up my content. As you may or may not know, I have several channels on YouTube right now, and one of those channels is basically all InVideo content. So with that being said, InVideo is a software that I absolutely endorse. It's something that I highly encourage you to check out. It will be linked down below so you can get your free account and also some discounts along if you decide to go with the premium. So what I want to share with you right now is how to actually do and create videos without knowing how to edit. So if you had no editing experience whatsoever and you needed to make a Facebook ad video, we can do that. If you wanted to make a YouTube video without knowing how to edit, we can absolutely do that, and you're gonna see this today. So let me just help you navigate through it real quick. So this is the home screen of InVideo, and we're gonna go into how to navigate this, and I'm gonna show you how to make a real life video, and then we're gonna call it a day. So here we go. On the left hand side, we're gonna go to categories, and what I wanna show you is all the different categories that you have access to. So you have some brand intro, bite-sized ads, and all that fun stuff, but check out all the categories that show up now. So these are just templates. So you have the intro and outro. So as you know, in YouTube, you see a lot of those intros and a lot of those outros, brand promotion, snackable videos, product videos. So if you're selling a sports collection according to this, if you're doing any other type of long form ads. So remember, if you're doing some Facebook ads, Instagram ads, this is a fantastic tool for you to use. If you want to raise awareness because of, you know, the situation that we're in, I can't say that word or else this video gets demonetized, but that's a different route that you can take. You have some different ads. So these are all templates that you can build from, and we're actually going to do that. Now, if you have a webinar or even a presentation coming up, then this is a fantastic tool for you to use. So you see there's different templates for you to go through. And listicles is actually one of my favorite types of videos. Listicles is basically a list of like the top 5, the top 3, the best 5, whatever it happens to be, it's in order. And these are fantastic videos. In fact, some of my highest performing videos, like if you go to Dallas Fort Worth best places to live, then you're gonna see several of my videos actually on the top of the search page. So that is a fantastic way for you to start ranking your videos quickly. So these are the categories, but let me go back just to really hone in on what we're talking about. We have some pre-made templates. As you can see, there's over 3,000 templates. You can find anything. You can find any types of templates, and this is actually what we're gonna demo today. But I want to show you a little bit of a different way of creating videos. So here you have text to video, and you don't see as many templates here. These are more themes, and what that means is you see the square pics. They do the animation, so everything here is already created for you. The only thing that you have to change would be the background image and then the text. The whole animation or the motion that it goes up, like as you see here, the sliders, everything else, the words coming into the frame, the square and all that fun stuff, that's already done for you. Everything here you can edit if you want, but the purpose of this particular software is for you to get in and out quickly. We want to make the videos, once you get the hang of it, you're going to be able to produce videos in less than 10 minutes, which is fantastic. So as you can see here, it's a different way of presenting the text. So see the corporate header. So if you have a presentation, you can change the background, you can change all that fun stuff. But this is Again, text to video. This is just giving you a different layout to present the text that you're trying to convey. All right, and now we're gonna go to a blank canvas. I highly encourage you not to start here because you don't have to. You absolutely don't have to start from a blank canvas. Once you get experience, then yeah, go out and experiment. But right now, don't worry about it. So wide, this is the ratio that we're gonna use because we're talking about a YouTube video. And then square, this would be more for your Instagram. This would be more for your video ads in the carousel form. And vertical, this would be, of course, for your stories, your Facebook and Instagram stories alike. So you're able to create that. But let's go over here to the pre-made templates that I was mentioning. You can still select based off of wide. So again, for your YouTube video, square for your ads, and then also for your stories right here. Hey, one quick second, I wanna ask for a small favor. Would you mind going down to the bottom of this video and smashing like? Thanks. Now, what we're gonna do is, let's just see. So if you're in real estate, this is a fantastic tool for you to use. You can see how to highlight a pretty darn good looking house right there and present it in a very engaging way. No more do you have to put an elevator music and then just a slideshow. One picture. No, this actually presents pretty darn well, as you can kind of see through there. And I actually like it so much we're probably gonna use this one, but just know that you can go through, as you can see here, over 3,000 templates. So you can type in any type of industry that you can think of, and you're gonna have tons and tons of templates to work with. So as you can see, you see some, if you're in the food industry, if you're trying to do a Masterclass, if you are in the pizza game, if you're in the cinema game. I feel bad for you, to be honest with you, if you're in the cinema game right now. But these are all different ways that you can market. Now let's go back. I don't want to make this too long of a video. I just want to show you the functionality and what this even looks like. So here, you see some music, you see everything going on. So we're gonna start with this template. I don't want to start from scratch, I just want to use this template. Now, let's just say I have a listing, which is very common. Now, here's what it's gonna look like. Don't freak out. This is very easy to navigate, so I'm gonna show you how that looks. Here, these are based off of scenes. So at the bottom, I just want you to focus on these scenes. And if I play the scene right here, it lets me know, hey, this is 5 seconds. And then that's already pre-built. I can edit that if I want. So as you can see here, I can edit that. But let's just say that scene was too long for me. Let's just say I didn't like that scene. Then I'm just gonna, oops, where is it? I can't see over my camera. I can't see over my camera, but I could shorten this scene without, here we go, because I can see my camera over here. So I just shortened this one instead. So this is how you shorten the scene. Let's just say it was too long. Now you get it for 2 minutes. I'm sorry, 2 seconds or 2.35 seconds, right? And then you see the entire length over here. So that's pretty cool. And then these are all scenes. These are all scenes. Let's just say you wanted to add a scene. You wanted something after that initial picture. You would just hit the add a scene, and then you would go, you could add any of these that are already part of the templates. Let's just say you wanted this, you wanted to add this to the scene, whatever it happens to be. So it's not gonna fit in place very well, but this is that first part of the video. And then here, you have another scene. So let's play what it looks like. Of course it doesn't make sense. I just wanna give you an illustration of what that looks like. But here, you even have templates. You have different templates that you can inject scene-wise. So let's just say you wanted to highlight summer. You're gonna view the scenes that are in the summer collection. So it's basically pulling from those templates that you saw out in the home screen, and you can pull them in here if you wanted to. So that is pretty darn cool. Now, let me see if I can delete right there. So I deleted. All right, so that's how you start working with this down here. Don't want to go too much into it. I want to give you everything possible. Let's just say over here. So there's another scene. As you can see here, you have the other scene. And then let's just say you wanted to add video. You didn't like that video in the background, or you just wanted to add a different type of video. And the little right here, as an InVideo business subscriber, you get this premium media for free. So everything here, everything video-wise, everything image-wise, everything audio-wise is copyright free. So you can use this and you're good. So this will be, if you're in the business subscriber, if you want a discount, it'll be linked down below. but this is actually on the premium side. But you don't have to go down the premium side. You can get the free stuff too. So I'll bring in another video. Let's just say I didn't like that. I'm gonna replace it, and I'm gonna let the moon take over, and then play trim section only, and then I'm gonna use done. And now I have that. All right, so it actually became a little bit bigger than I thought, so I'm gonna go over here, make it a little bit smaller, and then I just play it. Now, of course, it doesn't make sense because I just added a random video there. But once you start getting the hang of it, you're able to create your videos much quicker. Now, although that looks a little bit blurry, I don't know if you can capture that from the video, but that looks a little bit blurry for my taste. Understand that that goes away. This is just a pre-rendering, if you will. That way, it doesn't carry all this bandwidth. So you're able to, your computer won't freeze up. You're able to pull in images, pull in video, and it's not gonna give you the most how it's gonna show up. Then you would have to go to export, and then it would work. But anyway, so you have a little bit of templates. So pulling in the templates that you saw on the home screen, but here you have videos, so you can type in any video. Let's just say house. You wanted some more B-roll for houses. I'm gonna let it load, and let's just say this one right here. I'm gonna hover over it so it gives me a good visual of what it looks like, which is just the outside of the house. Same thing over here. So I'm not gonna pull in anything else, but because I think you get the point. So if we go over to images, same thing. You can just pull in any images. Let's just say you needed a house image back there, and there you go. So you have all of these. Again, you're able to use these without any issues. And then music. Let's just say you wanted to put a little bit of music, a little bit of fun to it. So you can use it. You can use it. All the tracks, as you can see here, 5,200 tracks. 10,000 tracks, 7,000 tracks. So there's so much. You can do it based off of genre. You can do it based off of mood. And then this other type of music. So alarm, sound effects, and then miscellaneous. So let's just go with mood. Let's just say I want to convey sadness. No, let's not. Let's convey happiness. I wanted to convey happiness. So let's just go to joy. And you just pull that in, and you're off and running. So you see here, there's already a track down here, but you can edit that at will. And then text, you can add text. You can add it to the screen. So you saw right there, I added that, and then I can move that. Oops, I moved the entire thing. You can move the text wherever you want, right there. And then you add the text. Text goes here. You can style it. You can have a font. You can have a different font, different size, colors, everything else. This is so freaking cool. But anyway, so this is all done for you. You don't have to worry about all of this other editing stuff. Did I get this right? As somebody that has edited or learned how to edit through making these videos, I can tell you that this is night and day from Final Cut Pro versus this. It's night and day. With Final Cut Pro, you have to figure out where everything is going here. Here, it's more of like a game. Here, it's so much easier to do. But let's just say you were doing a voiceover. Let's just say you were doing an open house. And that house that we were originally playing around with, you were highlighting all of the benefits to it. So let's just play this. Highlighting the whole, I guess this is a game room. So you were highlighting that aspect. And then you can just, again, you just swap in your images or swap in your video. But let's just say you wanted to do a voiceover. So you did a walk through the entire beautiful, you can upload your own video, by the way. So you can upload your own video and have it down here instead of using blocks that you saw up there that was already provided for you. But let's just say you were doing the listing, so the listing of the home, and you wanted to do a voiceover this game room. You wanted to say, hey, this game room is actually includes the chairs and the entertainment system. So you can add a voiceover. How cool is that? So you can add if you don't want to speak, totally your call. You can do a text to speech, or you could do a voiceover right here. I'm not going to go into the voiceover because they would pull the audio and they would ruin my recording. But you could do a voiceover and record, and then it'll automatically pop in down here. So it's so easy. You don't have to plug in another software and then record there and then pull in the file. It's all done from here. But if you go to the automated text to speech, let's just say, does this work? And you go to generate voiceover, and then I'm just gonna add it. So you can see right here. Now I play it.
Does this work?
I hope you caught that, right? So does this work? It actually absolutely did the voiceover. So and you have different, I just think that's the coolest thing, so I don't want to get too mired down here, but with the text to speech you can do different voices, different voice, so you can play around with that. Now let's see, you upload your own video as I mentioned, but you have so many other options. You can add stickers, overlays, shapes, make it a collage, include the social aspects of it. All of this is so easy to use, so easy to get started. So these, just start with the template that's closest to what you want to accomplish, whether that's an open house, whether that's a promotional video, whether that's a commercial, whether that's a family reunion video, whatever it happens to be. Just start with the template that gets a lot closer to where you want it. Start with that template. Worry about the change out the music that you want, or do some voiceover if you want, and then change out the images and the videos, and you're off and running. All you have to do is hit export. It'll take a couple of minutes for it to fully render, and it's gonna produce to you a high quality video. Remember, these videos are super important for your business. Over 80% of the content that's consumed online is through video. So if you've been hesitant to invest in a camera or to get in front of a camera, this is a great place for you to start. As I mentioned, my other channels, this has been a content machine for me, where we just bust out video after video after video with high quality content within it. I have so many videos that actually rank just from this software alone. I never had to be in front of the camera on those other channels, but here, of course, it's a little bit different. Here's a little bit different type of content. But anyway, this is a way that you start doing YouTube without knowing how to edit. All right, so now on to the bonus. If you're interested in starting with InVideo for absolutely free, then go down to the bottom in the description. You're gonna find a link that's gonna give you the opportunity of using InVideo for absolutely free. But it doesn't stop there. If you decide to go on and get the premium version, you're also gonna receive a discount as well. So it's gonna be linked down below. Well, now you know how to make YouTube videos fast, that are watchable, and without knowing how to edit, it's time to level up. So I'll leave a video right here that's gonna help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make your best day yet.